week, fewer homes came on the market, and buyer showings were down again this week, 16.7% compared to last year. It's Friday, October 22nd, 2021. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Maryland Market Minute. Homes went under contract in 30 days on average over this past week. Here's the activity snapshot. 1,131 homes are coming soon. This is a bit up from the past several months. 1,768 came to the market since last report, which reflects fewer new listings for sale. 897 went under contract, and this is also down across the board. 1,691 are temporarily off the market, which is up. 1,550 moved to pending. 1,812 closed. The highest priced property to close over the past week was this waterfront estate in West Annapolis for $11 million. That's your market snapshot for Friday, October 22nd. Thank you so much for tuning in. Join me next week for another update and subscribe for new content. Have a super weekend, and I'll see you next Friday. Take care.